patrocinadores, a todos los voluntarios, a todos los artistas, a todos los trabajadores, a todos los maestros de ceremonia, al sonido, a la policía. De verdad, de todo corazón, muchísimas gracias, que Dios me lo bendiga. Váyanse al suave. Miguel.
También, Iri, voy a agradecer a todos los vendors que año tras año también nos apoyan y dicen presente en este festival dominicano. Muchas gracias a todos. Tranquilito para la casa, porque de su comportamiento depende que el año que viene estemos de nuevo acá, Tranquilito por la sombrita.
Gracias. Y recuerden que faltan 365 días para el próximo Festival Dominicano del Perth Amboy, donde nos volveremos a ver la cara si Dios quiere. Esperamos que a todos le vaya bien, tranquilito a su casita, y el próximo año aquí nos veremos.
Claro que sí, gracias por ese bonito comportamiento, gracias de parte de todos aquí de United Dominicans and Perth Amboy e Irving Lozada, ID Entertainment. Gracias Miguel Ortega, gracias Dionis Peña por su trabajo con nosotros como siempre, gracias.
Hasta el año que viene, el único que va a sufrir es Miguel Ortega, porque 365 días sin ver Mickey Russo.
Ya, abusador. Sí, pero vamos a estar aquí, estamos aquí, señores.
Espérate, ¿cómo es? ¿Qué es lo que pasa con...? Oye, este hombre se volvió adicto a barbecue luso.
No, el barbecue luso es lo máximo. Estoy adicto. Después que llegué no he comido otra cosa. Solamente ahí, el barbecue luso. Así que nos vemos el año que viene cuando yo regrese.
Yo le pregunté, oye, ¿tú te desayunas, Villa? Dice, sí, yo tengo de barbecue luso.
Oye, Fermín, se perdió un iPhone 17, color naranja. Y quiero también agradecer a DJ Chepe, que se bajó. DJ Chepe llegó temprano y se va tarde, Gracias, buenas noches. Hasta el año que viene.
Eso. Chiquito. Te la comiste.
Oye, chiquito.
Oh, tú eres el mío personal. Oye, el mío personal es que tú lo sabes. Yo sin ti no soy nadie. No, pues tú sabes que es una combinación.
Bueno, recuerden que no se nos puede olvidar, gracias a todos los voluntarios, todos los voluntarios que ayudaron a ayudar a los niños de Perth Amboy. Gracias por su excelente trabajo.
El iPhone 17. Si me encuentras por ahí, por favor.
Mira, hay otro chavo.
Andrew.
Oh, very money.
Anuña.
Wait, have a good night, fellas. Have a good night, fellas. Everything will be on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah.
No one have to.
Long, sweaty day, though.
You got footage of me or no?
No, I don't think so. I'm not. Okay, my bad. I don't think so. I've been, whatever.
Until we sell the face up.
All right, heading out. Wow, so packed. All right, let's scoot over here. Wow. So they didn't turn the lights on at the end. That was actually the reason why I wanted to stay in the place. It's actually better out here. It's brighter out here. But yeah, so we had a lot of people. There's a lot of people walking right now. All right, so let's hang out here for a little while. Woo, another Perth Amboy Festival, Dominican Festival, under the belt. And this is like the main spill out area. There's two spill out areas. And wow, very long, sweaty day. Very long day. Today, let's shoot over here. Let's hang over here for a minute. So as you see, there's a lot of people in there today. Good times, good times. This is definitely a cool festival, for sure. Yo, pull up. YouTube, it'll be on YouTube, everything. No problem. Okay, so wow. It's so muggy right now. It's so muggy I can barely talk. Because my wow, I'm so like dry mouth right now. Literally, like I can't wait to get to my car and drink some water. I feel like I just like went through some kind of like heating sauna experiment. Some heating sauna championship. And we got here about 3:30 today, and it was pretty cool. Pretty cool today, but then it started getting real muggy. That happened about an hour and a half ago. We did a live stream. Yeah, we did like four and a half hours today of video. So there's gonna be a lot of episodes coming up real soon. But yeah, this is the crowd. There's a lot of New York City probably here too, mixed in with New Jersey. Wow, super crazy today. A lot of people today. Wow, so yeah, let's move on over towards the street. Let's walk over this way. So wow, yeah, I kind of stuck around inside there because I thought the ugly lights were gonna come on, because they usually put, last year I know they did, they put the lights on inside, like more lights, but they didn't do that this time. they just stopped the music and said everybody go. So yeah, there's going to be covered up music. I can't put any of the copyright music on YouTube. We can't do that. So these festivals, I have mixes that I made that aren't copyright, they're copyright free. I belong to record pools that have no copyright. Also, I have a ton of AI mixes that aren't copyright music. So we're going to be putting that over this pretty soon. But yeah, pretty crazy today. A lot of people. Pretty insane. It was so it was empty. So the beginning episodes are going to be almost no people because there was barely anybody here in the beginning. But then it got pretty packed, and that was around 6:30 p.m. So that's when it really got packed, around 6:30, and then it really got humid and all of that after that. All right, so I think they're moving everybody along, so let's go. Let's head back to the car. But yeah, a lot of people, good turnout today. This was the 25th anniversary, as far as I know, of the Dominican Festival, which is pretty solid. I almost thought nobody was gonna come here because for like the beginning, there was almost nobody here. So, okay, let's head out. Let's go this way. We're kind of in the middle of the sandwich. They want to get everybody out of here. So let's go this way. All right, so let's stroll down the street. All right, so, wow, good times. Awesome times today. I really like the Dominican Festival because the Dominican Festival, to me, it's better than the Puerto Rican Festival. So let's get a street shot here of everything. It's better than the Puerto Rican Festival, I think. Only because of the area. This spot right here. I don't think one is better than the other. You know, as far as the celebration, if you're Puerto Rican, awesome. If you're Dominican, awesome. Whichever one you like better, super cool. You know, when I DJ'd, I like the dembow music. I played some dembow music quite often. Mixed it in there. It's pretty cool, you know, and all of that. The guaracha. I don't know if that comes from Dominican Republic. The guaracha music, I think it comes from Mexico. I'm not sure. No idea. I'm getting into the music genres now. But yeah, see, there's people chilling out on the porches right here. Perth Amboy is super lit. It's going to be super lit tonight. Going to be a lot of parties going on, it looks like. The party ends over there, but it just begins over here. It's kind of dark, so hopefully you can see everything right now. So we should be pretty good. So they got a lot of parties going on. So we got some bachata music, chilling out. Super chill, relaxing. Yeah, I feel like this party here is probably going to be going on for quite a long time tonight. So that party's over there, the festival. Now here comes the street party. The street party is ready. All right, so yeah, we're right next to New York City, like I've said before. Staten Island's real close, Outer Bridge. They call Perth Amboy Little New York. That's what the nickname is. It's kind of like a New York, I guess, in that regard, because it's near New York City. So there's probably some similarities between the two. All right, so we're about to hit the dark streets here. All right, I guess we're gonna cut it, but there's so many parties going on. Like, this is kind of where I would cut the video, but it's like, you know, it looks like there might be a lot of parties going on. It's a little dark, so let's just keep it rolling for now. I gotta go this way. I'm going to 2nd Street. That's what I'm looking for. It's kind of dark. We got some parties, but it's so dark. I don't even know if it's worth it to film. We won't really be able to see it that well. We're just gonna see the street, the cars coming through. That's about it. But it's so dark over here. But yeah, there's a lot going on right now. Well, let's shoot through this way. Let's go. It's more lit up here. Let's see. And yeah, Perth Amboy is Brooklyn-ish. As you see, the houses are close together right here. It is New York City-ish. It is. A lot of the homes are close together. Not everywhere, but on this section right here that we're at. See, we got to go a block up this way. Yeah, they got the lights on here, so yeah. So yeah, the festival was really good today. And so it's good to get another one under the belt. All right, so whew, I feel like I lost 50 pounds walking. So if you want to lose weight fast, just walk around aimlessly for 5 hours in the humid weather. It wasn't humid earlier, but it got humid. So right now it's humid, but it wasn't humid in the beginning as it is now. So, all right. So I think we're about at the end of the video here, and thank you for tuning in. And yeah, a lot of these videos are going to be episodes, and you will see them before this one. This is the last one. Anyway, if you're not subscribed, we appreciate it if you could subscribe. And we do have our store. Check it out in the channel description on the YouTube. So we have our PIBRY merch for sale, so check it out. And the Jesus merch, Christian merch. Oh, there's another party here, so we're gonna keep on going just for this party, and then I think then we might cut it. But yeah, there's another party going on here. It's so dark though. Let me walk faster so we can get up there quicker and see what's cracking. Yeah, so we got another party rocking. All right, so yeah, good times today. Whew. A lot of fun. Got the sports bar cranking over here. All right. All right, good old Perth Amboy. All right, peace out. See you in the next one.